WADI SHAB is one of the most beautiful natural destinations in Oman. Drive usually takes around 1 hour and 45 minutes to 2 hours. To enter WADI SHAB, you first need to cross the water by a small boat. The boat service usually operates from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. with a small fee. Within a few minutes, you reach the other side, and the real dream. A mix of clear turquoise and emerald green, so transparent that you can see straight to the bottom. Inside the cave, you'll discover a small waterfall flowing down from the cave, a magical and unforgettable experience.